Hello, I'm going to illustrate a MATLAB script for collecting data from a piano that is basically hands-free compared to some of the others I've worked on or developed. It's called Collect and Save Hands-Free 2. That's the name of the script. And I'm going to fire it up right now. The computer is connected to a Sandblaster Omni 5.1 via a USB cable. There are some microphones on the Sandblaster, and those are the ones I'm using. The Sandblaster Omni 5.1, I think, retails for about 70 bucks, I think, something like that. It's pretty inexpensive. Okay, let's fire up the script. Okay, and I'm using my Cosmo, so I'm going to choose one. The directory I'm going to put my data in is C test data. It says start with A0. I'm going to start with C4 because it's just easier to reach from where I'm sitting.
Battle stations. C4. Record in 5 seconds. C4 sharp. Record in 5 seconds. D4 record in 5 seconds. C4 sharp. Repeat. Record in 5 seconds. D4 record in 5 seconds. D4 sharp. Record in 5 seconds. E4.
Okay, I stopped it. I want that voice you heard was coming from the computer. That wasn't me live. But you see what's going on here? It comes up with a little beep, which is a prompt to strike the key. You can also watch this little screen over here that shows up, and when it goes red, you could also watch that and use that as a prompt. I like the beep because I can turn my head and face the piano while I'm striking the keys. When I do record, after I record, it generates these 3 graphs here. Here's the rough recording, which allows you to strike in a 7-second window. Here's 7 seconds over here. Then I trim out the leading edge, and I keep 5 seconds. And if it turns out that I have emptiness at the end of the trace, I can pad it with zeros out to 5 seconds. But I end up with always a 5-second wave. Down here is the line spectrum showing peaks at various partials, and I'm showing a red line here for the fundamental. Here's the fundamental, here's the 2nd harmonic, 3rd harmonic, 4th, 5th, 6th. You can see out here by the 6th harmonic, the 6th partial is starting to lead it a little bit sharp of it because of the inharmonicity. So let's see, the screen over here shows that I have collected these numbers. Now, you notice that just after I finished collecting I think it was C4 sharp, I decided I didn't like the sound of that. Actually, I liked it, but I just wanted to illustrate the point. So I kept striking the key, and there's a feature in the script that looks for noise like that. If it hears that noise, it means you want to go back and re-record that key. So that allows you to recover in case you make a mistake while you're going along. So I collected the values for C4, C4 sharp, D4, and D4 sharp, and then I can just keep on going. And I'm done. It's going to be showing some data out here in this directory, which is called, I think, test data. Be nice if it were anyway. Here it is. And here's the data I just collected. Individual mat files for each of the separated waves. Now I can take those files and I can do anything I want to with them, such as making cumulative line spectrum maps and the such. Okay, that concludes my demonstration. The information and the ability to download this script to your computer is out on my website. Thanks for listening and watching.